Hello everyone, welcome to TalentSprint. How are you guys? So last week I was not available. So this week we shall discuss the set 3 and set 4 of SSC CHSL examination for the general awareness topic. Okay. So hi everyone. Hi Chinnu, Verghese, Mandeep, Pramod, Aditya, Vidyarajan, Kirti, Kiran, Dinesh, Kiran, Lakshmi, Tanya, Shravan. So hi, good morning everyone. So I see a lot of guys joining this session. Mohan, Juhi, Chandrasekhar. So how are you preparing for SSC CHSL examination? Abhishek, Tanya, Faisal, Preetham, Karthikeyan, Trupti, Nagendra Kumar. So let's wait for 2 more minutes. How is your preparation going on, guys? So one day before there was a news saying that CHSL exam was postponed by 1 month, right? So it is postponed to April 4th. So you have ample time to prepare for the CHSL examination. No need to worry. Those who have started late can prepare very well. So let's start our general awareness set 3 and set 4. I have come up with 50 questions this time. Last week, every week I used to discuss only 25 questions. So this week I have come up with 50 questions. So I suggest you to keep a pen and paper and note down your score, and we shall discuss the score at the last. Okay, so let's get started. So moving on to the first question of the day. Which device is used to measure the depth of ocean? Is it Lexometer, Nanometer, or Fatehpur, or Hydrometer? I want answers. You have 5 seconds for each question. So which device is used to measure the depth of the ocean? Is it Lexometer, Nanometer, Fatehpur, or Hydrometer? So what could be the answer? 5 seconds. So Trupti says it's Hydrometer, Sandeep says it's Fatehpur. Keep guessing the answers. So what could be the answer? These are the previous year SSC CHSL examination questions which were conducted in 2017. Harshita, Shushmita, Pramod, Mohan say it's Fatehpur. Yes guys, this is the answer. Fatehpur is the actual device which is used to measure the depth of the oceans. Hydrometer is generally used to measure the density of liquids. And nanometer generally is used in nanotechnology. So generally Fatehpur looks like this. It sends the sound waves till depth of the ocean or any water body, so that the sound waves will return back and measure the depth of the ocean. So most of you have given the correct answer. Moving on to the next question. What was the capital of Maharaja Ranjit Singh's kingdom? Is it Patna, Fatehpur Sikri, Islamabad, or Lahore? Five seconds. Keep guessing the answers, guys. What was the capital of Maharaja Ranjit Singh's kingdom? He was the head of the Sikh army. Later his kingdom was annexed by the British. So what is the answer? Sandeep says it's Fatehpur Sikri. Good morning everyone. Madhumati, Trupti, Zulfikar Khan, Kirti Kiran, So most of you say it's Fatehpur Sikri. I see mixed answers. Sanjan Kumar, Himanshu Jain, Ritix. So most of you again have mixed answers. Ritesh. So but answer is Lahore. Lahore is the right answer. Lahore was the capital of Maharaja Ranjit Singh, the present Lahore. He ruled from the year 1780 to 1839. He was the head of the Sikh army. Later, after his death, the kingdom was annexed by the British. Okay? Clear with this? So Lahore was the correct answer. It was the capital of Maharaja Ranjit Singh's kingdom. The movement Objections Resolution to guide the deliberations of the assembly was started by, is it Jawaharlal Nehru, Kiran Desai, or K Natwar Singh, or K.M. Munshi? Objections Resolution, which is a very basic, which is the foundation for preamble. This was moved by which of the following members in the Constituent Assembly? Keep guessing the answers, guys. You have 5 seconds to go. Tech Maniac says it's Nehru. Sharad Yadav, Sandeep, Shushmita, Harshita. Shushmita says it's Nehru. Any mixed answers? Sandeep says it's K. Munshi. What could be the answer? Keep guessing the answers, guys. Who has moved the objective resolution? It's a very basic foundation for our preamble. Ritesh, Himanshu Jain, Karthikeyan, Mohan. Sio Praveen says it's Jawaharlal Nehru. Yes, this is the right answer. Jawaharlal Nehru, who is the person, he has moved this objective resolution on 13th December 1946. It's a very basic for our preamble. Most of the words of the objective resolution are present in the preamble. Okay. So moving on to the next question of the day. Who wrote the book Glimpses of World History? Is it Shashi Tharoor, Mahatma Gandhi, Neeraj C. Chaudhary, or Jawaharlal Nehru? You have 5 seconds to go. Who wrote the book Glimpses of World History? Chandrasekhar says it's Mahatma Gandhi. Sandeep. Sharad says it's Shashi Tharoor. So most of you have mixed answers. Some say it's Jawaharlal Nehru, some say it's Mahatma Gandhi. What could be the correct answer? Glimpses of World History. Karthikeyan, Manideep, Kirti Kiran. So the right answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. He is the one who has written this book Glimpses of World History while he was in different jails between the period from 1930 to 33. So generally this book consists of around 196 letters about world history, written by Jawaharlal Nehru to his daughter Indira Priyadarshini or Indira Gandhi. Okay, clear with this? So Faisal Shafi Khan, I am picking all the comments, don't worry about that. I am picking comments from both. So moving on to next question of the day, which of the following Indian chili is considered as one of the hottest in the world? Is it Bhut Jolokia or Bhut Mahabora or Lal Chitin or Lal Shamak? Which of the following Indian chili is considered as one of the hottest in the world? Keep guessing the answers, guys. Be fast. You have just 5 seconds for each question. Which of the following Indian chili is considered as one of the hottest in the world? What could be the answer? Shafi Khan, Himanshu Jain, Mandeep say it's Bhut Jolokia. What could be the answer? Remaining people. Jasmine says it's Lal Chitin. Faisal Khan, option number 1. Mohan, Pramod, Googlot, Chandrasekhar says it's Lal Chitin. So what could be the answer? One of the hottest in the world chilies. Trupti says Bhut Jolokia. Sandeep says it's again the same. What could be the answer? It's Bhut Jolokia. This is one of the hottest chilies in the world, which is grown in Assam. Okay, this is also called as ghost chili, which is gaining popularity in India as well as in the world. Okay, moving on to the next question of the day. Pentlandite is an ore or mineral of which of the following? Is it titanium, nickel, uranium or zinc? Yes, Sairam Bhumika Jain has given the correct answer. Moving on to next question of the day. Pentlandite is an ore or mineral of which of the following? You have 5 seconds to go. What could be the answer, guys? Pentlandite. So the right answer is, so pentlandite is an ore of iron and nickel. Okay, it is also called as iron nickel sulfide. Okay, the chemical formula is, this is a chemical formula of pentlandite. Most of you have given the answer as titanium. Some say it's nickel. So the right answer is nickel. It's iron nickel sulfide. This is a pentlandite. The chemical composition is iron nickel sulfide. Okay, moving on to next question of the day. The decision to effect the partition of Bengal was announced in 1905 by, is it Lord William Bentinck or Lord Mountbatten or Warren Hastings or Lord Curzon? So keep guessing the answers. The decision to effect the partition of Bengal. Bengal was divided into 2 parts. Okay, one was eastern side and one was western side. So this took place in 1905. But which of the following has done this? So most of you have given Curzon, Akhil, Jasmine, Ritesh, Sandeep, Abhishek Pandit, Shafi Khan, Subhashmita, Chandrasekhar, Kuldeep So most of you have given the right answer. It is Lord Curzon who has done this partition of Bengal on 7th July 1905. So generally it was done to separate the Hindus and Muslims, but the actual reason is this, to separate Hindus and Muslims, but they have stated that for administrative convenience we are parting Bengal into two parts, West Bengal and East Bengal. Okay, East Bengal was dominated by Muslims and West Bengal was dominated by Hindus. This was the actual reason. Okay, and the partition of Bengal was annulled in the year 1911. Okay, later the capital of the British Empire was shifted from Bengal to New Delhi. Okay, because there was a lot of nationalism which is going on in the West Bengal, so the capital was shifted from Bengal to New Delhi. Moving on to the next question of the day. Who is the author of the book The Daughter of the East? Is it Taslima Nasreen, Benazir Bhutto, Chandrika Bhutani or Sharmila Tagore? You have 5 seconds to go. What could be the answer? The Daughter of the East. Faisal says it's Benazir Bhutto. Karthikeyan says it's Taslima Nasreen. Rahul again Benazir Bhutto. Bessimau, Joel, Kuldeep, Jasmine, Divakar, Trupti, Shubhasmita, Chandrasekhar. So what could be the answer? Himanshu. What could be the answer? Daughter of the East. This was written by Benazir Bhutto. Okay, she was the Benazir Bhutto was the former Pakistan Prime Minister. Okay, she was the daughter of Zulfikar Ali Khan. Okay, he was also the former Pakistan Prime Minister. He was the founder of Pakistan's People's Party. Okay, clear with this? So the Daughter of the East was written by Benazir Bhutto. She was assassinated. Her father was also assassinated. Moving on to the next question of the day. What is the minimum age to become the Prime Minister of India if he or she is a member of Rajya Sabha? Is it 18, 25, 30, 35? So what could be the answer? Minimum age to become Prime Minister in India if he or she is a member of Rajya Sabha. Be careful with this line. So what could be the answer? Shushmita, Tech Maniac. So some say it's 25, some say it's 30. Santosh, Sairam, Mohantas, Vishal Sharma, Srinitya says it's 30. So there are mixed answers. B with one answer. What could be the right answer? What is the minimum age to become the Prime Minister of India if he or she is a member of Rajya Sabha? Gauri Sharma, Velangal Mohan, Trupti, Chandan, Chaudhary, Selva. So most of you are having mixed answers. What is the right answer? The trick is here. Member of Rajya Sabha, the minimum age is 30 years. Right? So for Lok Sabha, the minimum age is 25 years. For Rajya Sabha, it is 30 years. If the question is only Prime Minister, the minimum age will be 25 years. But they have asked if he or she is a member of Rajya Sabha. So to contest in Rajya Sabha, we need 30 years. So the right answer is 30 years. Okay. Who is the founder of International Premium Tennis League? Is it Leander Paes, Roger Federer, Martina Navratilova, or Mahesh Bhupathi? Who is the founder of International Premier Tennis League, IPTL? You have 5 seconds to go. Sandeep, it says, what could be the answer? International Premier Tennis League. So most of you have mixed answers. Some say it's Bhupati, some says Martina Navratilova, Muni Prasad, Manik Mahajan, Daro Shiko, Trupti, Abdul Karim. So there are mixed answers. So what could be the correct answer? The correct answer is Mahesh Bhupathi. He has started the IPTL in the year 2013. Okay. Clear with this? Moving on to the next question of the day. Human beings hearing ranges, is it 50 to 50,000 hertz, or 40 to 40,000 hertz, or 30 to 30,000 hertz, or 20 to 20,000 hertz? So what could be the correct answer? Human beings hearing ranges. So most of you are saying it's option number 4. Chandan Chaudhary, Sharath, Vinod, Srinitya, Sandeep, Shushmita, Vidyarajan, Manik, Himanshu Jain, Abhishek, Bhumika Jain. So most of you have given the right answer. This is 20 to 20,000 or 20 kilohertz is a hearing range, right? So less than 20 hertz is infrasonic range, and more than 20,000 hertz is ultrasonic range. Clear with this? So most of you have given the right answer. Battle of Haldigati in 1576 was fought between Akbar and which of the following? Is it Sher Shah, or Maharana Pratap, or Hemu Vikramaditya, or Nadir Shah? One or two questions will repeat from the battles of medieval India. So you have to be very careful about this in SSC GL and CHSL examinations. So what could be the answer? Battle of Haldigati was fought between Akbar and which of the following? Chandan, Arvind, Kuldeep, Jasmine, Santosh, Shafi Khan. So most of you have mixed answers. Tanya says Maharana Pratap. Sairam Sant Kumar says it's Hemu Vikramaditya. What could be the correct answer? Tanya Googlot, Chandan Chaudhary, Tech Maniac. So most of you say it's Maharana Pratap. Yes, Maharana Pratap is the right answer. So Maharana Pratap and Man Singh, who was supported by Akbar. Okay. So these two were fought in this battle of Haldigati in the year 1576, and the Mughals were the winners in this battle, and Maharana Pratap has escaped through his horse. This question was also asked called Chetaka. The horse name is Chetak or Chetaka. Okay, clear with this? So Raja Man Singh supported by Akbar versus Maharana Pratap. Okay, who was the ruler of Mewar. Clear with this? So this was a battle fought in 1576. Moving on to the next question of the day. Which state has the highest Lok Sabha seats in India? Is it Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh or Bihar? Which state has highest Lok Sabha seats in India? Be fast, guys, be fast. Which state has the highest Lok Sabha seats in India? Gauri Sharma says Maharashtra. Vidya Rajan, Santosh, Muniprasad, Balu, Chandan Chowdhury, Varghese, Matthew Varghese, Mohan. So most of you say it's Uttar Pradesh. Yes, Uttar Pradesh has the highest Lok Sabha seats with almost 80 plus seats. Clear with this? So this is the right answer. Moving on to next question of the day. So most of you have given the right answer. Abhishek, Santosh, Tanvi, Mandeep, Chandan, Arvind Kumar have given the right answer. Moving on to next question of the day. The law of demand is based on the principle: buy more of a good as their income increases, or people buy more of a good as the price of the good falls, or people will spend all of their money on something, or people want more of everything even if they have no money to buy anything. The law of demand says what? Hope you have seen my economics chapter on demand and supply on TalentSprint. The law of demand is based on which of the following? So Sharad Arvind Kumar says it's second option. Tanvi, Mohan, Gauri Sharma, Tanya, Srinitya. Jasmine says it's option 1. Chandan Chowdhury says option 1. So there are mixed answers. What could be the right answer? What does law of demand says? Law of demand says as price increases, the quantity demanded decreases. Yes, so as price increases, demand decreases. The very tendency of law of demand, it is an opposite inverse related curve. Clear with this? So the right answer is, if the price falls, people will buy more goods, or if the price increases, people will buy less goods. This is the right answer. Price versus demand, there is an inverse relationship. Moving on to next question of the day. The number of parliamentary seats for Lok Sabha or Andhra Pradesh is it 2, 13, 20 or 25? So what could be the answer? You have 5 seconds. Be fast. You should not spend 15 to 20 seconds on each question, right, for general awareness. Mahata asked, is this for general goods or any item? Not for any item, this is for normal goods. There are different goods like inferior goods, Veblen goods. Okay, these are for normal goods. So, number of parliamentary seats for Lok Sabha for Andhra Pradesh is, Muni Prasad says it's 13. Sandeep, Sham Kumar, Srinitya. So, there are mixed answers. Gauri Sharma, Tanvi, Mohan says it's 13. Abhishek Pandit says 13. So, what could be the correct answer? So, the right answer is 25. 25 is the right answer. Andhra Pradesh has 25 Lok Sabha seats and Telangana has 17 seats. Earlier it has 42 seats. So, after both have got split, so 25 Lok Sabha seats for Andhra Pradesh and 17 Lok Sabha seats for Telangana state. Okay, so 25 is the right answer. Who is the author of the book India from Midnight to the Millennium? Is it Anuj Tiwari, Mithali Milan, or Shashi Tharoor, or Jhumpa Lahiri? India from Midnight to Millennium. So be fast, guys. Who is the author of the book India from Midnight to Millennium? Sandeep says it's Shashi Tharoor. Arvind, Santosh, Mohan say it's Shashi Tharoor. What could be the answer? Ashish, Abdul Karim, Surya Khan. So the right answer is Shashi Tharoor. Yes, he has written this book in From Midnight to Millennium. So generally he talks about caste, democracy, partition of India in this book. Okay, clear with this? These are the topics dealt in this book by Shashi Tharoor. Okay, he was the former MP from Congress. Okay, moving on to next question of the day. Decane has how many hydrogen atoms? Is it 22, 33, 11 or 44? Decane has how many hydrogen atoms? Be fast, be fast. Decane has how many hydrogen atoms? I want answers. What could be the answer? Decane. Hope you remember chemistry. Vidyarajan says 22. Hydrogen atoms. I am talking about hydrogen atoms. Tanvi, Mohan, Arvind, Mangilal, Bhumika. So there are mixed answers. Decane. Decane means it's an organic compound. Particularly hydrocarbon. So we have both carbon and hydrogen. Most of you say it's 22. Yes, 22 is the right answer. CnH2n plus 2. So C10 H22. Clear with this? This is a decane. Clear? Moving on to next question of the day. Hay fever is a sign of which of the following? Is it malnutrition, allergy, old age or overwork? Hay fever is a sign of which of the following? Is it malnutrition, allergy, or old age, or overwork? Hay fever generally you find in cold countries. So what could be the answer? Hay fever. So hay fever is generally caused due to pollen grains. You can find particularly in US, North America, and in Russia, right? So this is pollen grains infection. It causes allergy. Okay, clear with this? So the right answer is allergy. Okay, most of you have given. Abhishek, Pandit, Faisal have given the right answer, allergy. Okay, moving on to next question of the day. Parliament conducts how many sessions in a year? Is it 1, 2, 3 or 4? What could be the answer? Parliament conducts how many sessions in a year? Be fast. So what could be the answer? How many sessions are there for Indian Parliament? So is it 1 session or 2 sessions or 3 sessions or 4 sessions? So most of you say it's 3, option number 3. Chandan Chaudhary, Santosh, Bhumika Jain says it's 2. Vishnu, Ajit Kumar, Arvind Kumar, Mohan says it's 2. Tanvi says it's 4 sessions. So there are mixed answers. Pushpa, Abdul Karim, Jasmine, Chandan says it's 3 sessions. The right answer is 3 sessions. We have 3 sessions. What are those? Budget session, monsoon session, and winter sessions. These are the 3 sessions which we have in India. So what is the maximum gap we have? Budget can, see, any session can go for 1 day also, but the thing is the minimum gap between 2 sessions must not exceed 6 months between any of the 2 sessions. This is a minimum requirement. This is the most repeated question in many general studies examinations. So maximum gap between any 2 of the sessions is 2 months. Okay, moving on to our question. Okay, so there are 3 sessions which are conducted in every year by our Indian Parliament or by the state legislature also. Which company has developed hack programming language? Is it Google, Microsoft, Facebook or Apple? Which company has developed hack, a programming language? So what could be the answer? Hack programming language. Vijay Bharat, Sandeep says it's Microsoft. Tanvi, Shafi Khan, Juhi. So most of you are going with the option number 2. Some Rahul Rajput says Google. So there are mixed answers. What could be the right answer? Pushpa Saini says it's Apple. So all the 4 options are guessed by our people. So what could be the right answer? So the right answer is Facebook. Facebook has developed this hack programming language. Okay. Clear? Okay, Bhumika Jain has given the right answer. Srinitya has given the right answer. So moving on to next question of the day. Panch Mahal is situated in which of the following places? Is it Hawa Mahal, Gwalior Fort, or Fatehpur Sikri, or Agra Fort? Panch Mahal. So what could be the right answer? Panch Mahal. So most of you are guessing it as Fatehpur Sikri. Yes, Fatehpur Sikri is the right answer. So Panch Mahal is situated in Fatehpur Sikri. In Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Clear with this? So Hawa Mahal was built in Jaipur by Savai Pratap Singh, the Rajput ruler. Okay. And Agra Fort was built, it is a UNESCO's World Heritage Site, was built by Sikandar Lodi. Okay, and later Akbar also renovated it. Clear with this? Gwalior Fort is in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, most of you have given Fatehpur Sikri. This is the right answer. So Panch Mahal is situated in Fatehpur Sikri. The name of first mammal clone sheep is it Nuri, Dolly, Louis, or Durga? Name of first mammal clone sheep is. What could be the right answer? Name of first mammal clone sheep is Pramod, Vidyarajan, Rajendra Singh. Shushmita says it's Dolly. Yes, Tanvi, Jasmine, Manik Mahajan, Mahata, Shafi Khan, Sandeep, Ashish Tiwari, Dhruval Puranil, Srinitya. So most of you say it's Dolly. Yes, Dolly is the right answer. It has survived from 1996 to 2003. Okay. So it was developed in Scotland of United Kingdom. Clear with this? So this is the first mammal cloned sheep named Dolly. So moving on to next question of the day. Garadi is a folk dance of which of the following states? Is it Mizoram, Puducherry, Gujarat, or Rajasthan? You have 5 seconds. Garadi is the folk dance of which of the following states? So most of you say it's option number 2. Shilpa, Srinitya, Jasmine, Tanvi, Abhishek, Shushmita. So what could be the right answer? Yes, option number 2 is the right answer. Garadi is a folk dance of Puducherry. Okay. Earlier it was called Pondicherry. Now it is called as Puducherry, the Union Territory. Right. So Garadi is a folk dance in Puducherry. Moving on to next question of the day. Which is called country of canals? Is it India, Pakistan, Japan, or Myanmar? Which country is called country of canals? Pramod Santosh says it's Myanmar. What could be the answer? Country of canals. That means where water is flowing, there would be larger canals. So some say it's Pakistan, some say it's Myanmar. What is the right answer? Shubham says it's Pakistan. Most of you say it's Myanmar, and some say it's Japan. So there are mixed answers. The right answer is Pakistan. Pakistan is called as country of canals. Okay. Moving on to next question of the day. Who was the first Indian astronomer to calculate the time taken by Earth to orbit the Sun? Is it Aryabhatta, Ved Bhatnagara, or Bhaskaracharya, or Bishudeva Thamapi? So what is the right answer? Who was the first Indian astronomer to calculate the time taken by Earth to orbit the Sun? Who was the first Indian astronomer? You have to say me. Be fast, guys. If you give your answers fastly, I can complete the question at a faster rate. Okay. So Juhi, Pramod, Arvind Kumar says Aryabhatta, Shafi Khan, Sushmita says Aryabhatta. What is the right answer? Jasmine, Dhruvil, Purani, Aarti, Shubham, Rathaur. So Abhishek Pandit says Bishu Deva Thamapi. Tanvi says Aryabhatta. So what could the right answer? There are mixed answers. What could be the right answer? The right answer is Bhaskaracharya. Bhaskaracharya has mentioned in his book called Surya Siddhanta. Okay. This is a treatise written in Sanskrit by Bhaskaracharya. So he calculated time taken by the Earth to orbit the Sun. Okay, that is our one revolution. So he stated that one revolution is equals to 365.2587 days as per Bhaskaracharya. So most of you have mixed answers. So moving on to next question of the day. Which of the following games was very popular in ancient India? Is it chess, cricket, hockey, or football? So what could be the right answer? Which of the following games was very popular in ancient India? Is it chess, cricket, hockey, or football? If you give your answers at a faster rate, I can complete the question at a faster rate. So most of you say it's chess, some say it's hockey. So some say it's chess. Yes, chess is the right answer. Chess was the right answer. Okay, which you can see in Mahabharata between Kauravas and Pandavas. Okay, so chess is very popular in ancient India. Moving on to next question of the day. Dash is a drug that makes your heart work more slowly and used for treating high blood pressure. Is it contraceptive drug, or beta blocker, or depressant, or enema? These are previous questions only, previous paper questions only, conducted in 2017 for SSC CHSL examination. So what is the right answer? Dash is a drug that makes your heart work more slowly, used for treating high blood pressure. 5 seconds. So if the blood pressure is high in the heart, this can be used to control it. So what is the right answer? Most of you have mixed answers, but the right answer is beta blocker. This is a drug which makes the heart to work more slowly so that high blood pressure will be controlled. Moving on to next question of the day. Ocimum tenuiflorum is the scientific name of, is it neem, mango, babul or tulsi? Be fast to answer so that I can complete the question at a faster rate. Okay, you have 5 seconds. So what is the right answer? Ocimum tenuiflorum. Srinitya, Ashish, Selva, Abhishek, Alok Kumar, Shushmita, Mahata, Anjali, Jasmine, Suryakant, Abdul Karim. So most of you say it's, there are different answers. So Ocimum tenuiflorum, what is this? This is a figure of Tulasi. Okay, so Tulasi's scientific name is Ocimum tenuiflorum. Okay, clear with this? So generally it is used as a medicinal plant and also a holy tree for Hindus. Okay, holy plant for Hindus. Moving on to next question of the day. Which of the following elements has the lowest melting point among these? Is it iron, nitrogen, iodine or lead? What could be the correct answer? Which of the following elements has the lowest melting point of the given options? Be fast, match my speeds in giving answers. Lowest melting point. What could be the answer? Most of you say it's iodine. Manik says it's nitrogen. Sairam, Suryakant. Mamata says it's lead. Shafi, Sayali, Vinod, Ashish Tiwari. So the right answer is nitrogen. It has -210 degrees centigrade as the lowest melting point, and iron has 1538 degrees centigrade or 1538 degrees centigrade, that is in positive. Okay, and iodine has 113.7 degrees centigrade and lead has 327.5 degrees centigrade. So the right answer is nitrogen. It has lowest melting point. Okay, moving on to next question of the day. In internet, what is the full form of TCP? Is it transfer control program or transfer control protocol or transmission control program or transmission control protocol? Keep noting your score too with the negative marking. Treat this as the actual test of SSC CHSL for 50 questions. Okay, what is the right answer? TCP stands for, most of you go with option number 4. Mamata, Juhi, Shushmita, Tanvi, Abhishek, Srinitya, Prakash, Kavita, Arvind Kumar, Aarti Chaudhary, Alok Kumar. So what is the right answer? The right answer is a transmission control protocol. Okay, it is used in generally internet. Generally it is used for the establishing the network connection. Okay, clear with this? So the right answer is the transmission control protocol. Moving on to next question. Pyrolusite is an ore or mineral of, is it mercury, manganese, molybdenum or lead? Pyrolusite is the ore or mineral of, so what is the right answer? Matthew Burgess says it's lead. Shushmita Mahata says skip the question. Santosh, Abhishek Pandit, Prakash, Sai Charan. So most of you have mixed answers. What is the right answer? The right answer is manganese. Okay. So pyrolusite is an ore or mineral of manganese. Okay, generally it is termed as pyrolusite, is generally called as manganese dioxide, MnO2. Okay, it is an ore of manganese. Generally it is black in color and amorphous, that means powdery. Okay, so moving on to next question of the day. The biography of Humayun was written by, is it Noor Jahan or Jodha or Anarkali or Gulbadan Begum? The biography of Humayun, it is called as Humayun Nama. Okay, so who has written it? Humayun Nama, or the biography of Humayun, was written by So most of you say it's option number 4, Gulbadan Begum, Tanvi, Shushmita, Matthews, Vidyarajan. Some say it's option number 1, Noor Jahan. So what is the right answer, guys? Jasmine, Abdul Karim, Aarti Chaudhary, Saurabh Biswas, Srinitya, Chandan Chaudhary, Ashish Tiwari. So the most of you have given the right answer. Gulbadan Begum has written the Humayun Nama. She is a sister of Humayun. Okay. Gulbadan Begum has written this book Humayun Nama. Okay, it's a biography of Humayun, the king of Mughal Empire, okay, who is the son of Babur. Under which article was emergency in India declared in 1975? Is it Article 1, 152 or 286 or 352? What is the right answer? Emergency in India is declared under which articles? Hope you have seen my polity videos on TalentSprint. If you are a student on TalentSprint, you can avail these videos. Under which article emergency was imposed? Generally it is imposed under article number, what could be the right answer? 352. Yes, 352 is the right answer. Under article 352, national emergency will be imposed, right? When there is war, external aggression, and armed rebellion. These are the three conditions which were imposed. So national emergency was imposed in 1962, 1971 and 1975. This was Indo-China War. This was Indo-Pak War. And this was internal emergency by Indira Gandhi. Clear with this? Okay. So 3 times national emergency was imposed in India. Clear with this? So moving on to next question of the day. The United Nations Green Climate Fund is headquartered in which country? Is it South Korea, USA, Canada or Australia? Most of you have given right answers for the previous question. So moving on to the next question of the day. Be fast, guys. What is the right answer? Green Climate Fund. Sri Datta Faisal Khan says it's USA. Some say it's Canada. So there are mixed answers. What could be the exact correct answer? Santosh, Prince, Raj. Alok, Manik. So what could be the correct answer? The right answer is Chandan Chowdhury, Sayali, Indu, Anandan, Anjali. So what is the right answer? The right answer is United Nations Green Climate Fund is headquartered in Incheon, the of South Korea. Is the right answer. So this was established in 2010. Clear with this? It has 194 countries as partners or members. Okay, so most of you have said it's USA, but it is not USA. It is in Incheon of South Korea. Okay, so moving on to next question of the day. Who is the author of the book Life of Pi? Is it Eleanor Catton or Arvind Adiga or Jan Martel or Kiran Desai? There was a movie also on Life of Pi based on this book. Who has written this book? Life of Pi. What could be the right answer? Be fast. Author of the book is Jan Martel. This is the right answer. Okay, so this is a book. Clear with this? So there is a book called Life of Pi. Based on this book only, the Life of Pi was made, the movie. Okay, it was written by Jan Martel. Next question of the day. Which was the first garden tomb in the Indian subcontinent? Is it tomb of Jahangir or Humayun's tomb or Taj Mahal or tomb of Muhammad Iqbal? Okay, be honest for yourselves. If you have given the answer wrongly, mark it as wrong answer and deduct negative marks. Which was the first garden tomb in the Indian subcontinent? So some say it's tomb of Jahangir, some say it's Muhammad Iqbal, Jasmine, Digambar, Sharad, Anjali, Pratik, Manik, Karti Chowdhury, Prince, So what could be the right answer? The right answer is Humayun's tomb. This is the first garden tomb in India. Okay, built by his wife. What is his wife name? Hamida Banu Begum. Okay, his sister name we have seen, Gulbadan Begum, who has written Humayun Nama. His wife name is Hamida Banu Begum. She has built this Humayun's tomb, and this is the first garden tomb in India. Okay, you can see clearly here. Okay, we have Char Bagh. Even we have in Taj Mahal also the Char Bagh. Okay, moving on to next question of the day. BRICS is the acronym for an association of 5 emerging national economies: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and S stands for, is it Saudi Arabia or South Africa, Singapore or Sri Lanka? So what does S stands in BRICS? Is it Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Singapore or Sri Lanka? Be fast to answer your questions. Yes, am I audible now to everyone? Only for one person. Let's refresh your page. Abhishek, Shushmita, Mahata, Anjali, Saurav, Dhruvil, Aarti, Prince, Pushpa, Ashish, Abdul Karim, Digambar, Srinitya, Jasmine. So most of you say it's South Africa. Yes, BRICS stands for Brazil, Russia, India, China, and this is for South Africa. Okay, South Africa has joined in 2010. Okay, the first BRICS meeting was held in 2009 in Russia. Okay, recently in 2017 the BRICS meeting was held in September 2017 in Xiamen of China. Okay, clear with this? Moving on to next question of the day. June 21 marks the winter solstice in which of the following hemisphere? Is it northern, eastern, western or southern hemisphere? Okay, generally we have the Earth's revolution around the sun. Hope you remember this diagram in geography. So Earth moves around the sun in anti-clockwise direction. Most of you say have mixed answers. See, winter solstice in which of the following? What is June 21st? This is June 21st, right? Sorry, this is June 21st, this is March 21st, this is September 23rd, and this is December 22nd. This is actually called as summer solstice, right? Why it is called summer solstice? Because day is greater than night on this day. Out of 365 or 366 days, the day is longer. Out of all 365 days, the days is longer than night on this day. That's why we celebrate International Yoga Day on June 21st. So in northern hemisphere there is summer, and in southern hemisphere there is winter. So they are asking us, it is in winter in which hemisphere? So the right answer is southern hemisphere. Clear with this? Okay, these two are equinoxes which have equal days and nights. Okay, day will be equal to night only on these 2 days, and this is called winter solstice. Here night will be longer than the day, opposite to summer solstice. So we have in northern hemisphere there will be winter, because we are in northern hemisphere, right? India is in northern hemisphere, and in southern hemisphere it will be summer. So here the question is, June 21 marks winter in which of the following hemispheres? The right answer is southern hemisphere, and it is summer in northern hemisphere. Okay, clear with this? Moving on to next question of the day. This is the explanation. Okay, who invented Coca-Cola? Is it Floyd Paxton, Les Paul, or John Pemberton, or Forrest Parry? Who invented Coca-Cola? So what is the right answer, guys? So the right answer is John Pemberton. He is the one who has invented Coca-Cola. Okay, the most selling soft drink. Okay, moving on to next question of the day. Who wrote the book As You Like It? Is it Stephen Hawking, William Shakespeare, Vikram Seth, or Vimal Kumar? As You Like It. Who has written this book? Be fast to answer your questions. Who has written this book As You Like It? So most of you go with option number 3. Some say it's William Shakespeare, some say it's Vikram Seth, Hindu, Pratik, Saurav, Anjali, Aarti, Abhishek, Mohan, Juhi, Matthew Burgess. So most of you say it's William Shakespeare. Yes, this is the right answer. He has written this book As You Like It. It's a comedy based literature book written by William Shakespeare. Okay, moving on to next question of the day. In 1617, the British India Company was given permission to establish its first factory and to trade in India. So who has given this permission to the British East India Company? Is it Babur, Akbar, Aurangzeb, or Jahangir? What could be the correct answer? So most of you say it's option number 4, Jahangir. Santosh says it's Akbar, Pratik, Abdul Karim, Shivendra, Manik, Dinesh, Prakash, Digambar, Ahmad. So what is the right answer? Yes, Jahangir is the right answer. So Captain Hawkins from British has approached Jahangir so Captain Hawkins from British has approached Jahangir to establish their first factory in the British India. Moving on to next question of the day. What chemical is injected into a person's body when an ant bites? Is it formic acid, acetic acid, tartaric acid or citric acid? So what is the correct answer? Mamata, Priyanka, Tanvi, Abhishek, Anjali, Sharad Yadav, Ashish, Digambar says it's formic acid. Yes, formic acid is the right answer. When an ant bites, so we need to be gets injected with formic acid. Okay. How many chromosomes does a human cell contain? Is it 6, 26, 46 or 66? Be fast, be fast. When you see 25 questions in the CHSL examination, you should not spend more than 5 minutes for all these 25 questions. Okay? And you have to utilize this time for other topics like maths, reasoning and English. Okay? Clear with this? So moving on to our question, how many chromosomes? So most of you say it's 46. Juhi, Shushmita, Pramod, Vidyarajan, Tanvi, Prakash, Arun Kumar, Shivendra, Ashish, Vinod. Yes, 46 is the right answer. We have 23 pairs of chromosomes, so that means 46. Clear with this? So the right answer is 46. Next, Gugga Naumi is a religious festival in connection with snake worship. So it is celebrated in which of the following states? Is it Haryana, West Bengal, Gujarat or Maharashtra? Gugga Naumi. So what is the right answer? Be fast to answer. So most of you, some say it's West Bengal, some says it's Gujarat. Ramyashri Patel says it's Haryana. Manik Srishail Mahata says Gujarat. So what is the right answer? The right answer is Haryana. Gugga Naumi is a festival in connection with snake worship. It is celebrated in Haryana. Okay. Dhyaneshwar was a 13th century Marathi saint who wrote the book Dhyaneshwari. Okay, which is a commentary on which of the following? Is it Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita or Vedas or Upanishads? So we have to say it is a commentary on which of the following books? So what is the right answer? Dhyaneshwari is a commentary written by Dhyaneshwar. It's a commentary on which of the following? So some say it's Ramayana, some say it's Upanishads. Be fast, be fast, so that I can complete the question at faster rate. So what is the right answer? The right answer is Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is a basis for the book Dhyaneshwari, written by Sant Dhyaneshwar in the 13th century. Okay, clear with this? So moving on to next question of the day. Ghatotkacha, who has ruled in the years 290 to 305 BC, was a king from which of the following dynasty? Is it Gupta dynasty or Kanva dynasty or Shunga dynasty or Maurya dynasty? Ghatotkacha. He is the second ruler in one dynasty. In which dynasty is it? You have 5 seconds. So what is the answer? Ghatotkacha belongs to which of the following dynasties? Tanvi says Gupta dynasty, Vivek says Shunga, Shiva, Arun Kumar, Ramyasri Patel, Dinesh, Abdul Karim. So most of you say it's Shunga dynasty, but the answer is Gupta dynasty. Okay, the Gupta dynasty founder is Sri Gupta, right? And his son is Ghatotkacha. Okay, and his son is Chandragupta I, and his son is Samudragupta, and his son is Chandragupta II, who has taken the title of Vikramaditya, right? And the last ruler is Vishnugupta in the Gupta dynasty. Here the right answer is, so Ghatotkacha belongs to Gupta dynasty. Moving on to next question of the day. Who has invented postage stamp? Is it Ruth Handler or John Harrington or Rowland Hill or Felix Hoffman? So 1 to 2 questions we can expect from inventions, like who invented piano, who invented camera, like that. Okay, so be fast to answer. We have 3 more questions. So the writer of Indian Constitution is Prem Bihar Naren Raizada. So he has published the first copy in Dehradun of Uttarakhand. Okay, so clear with this? Okay, so the right answer is Dehradun of Uttarakhand. Moving on to next question of the day. The largest estuarine mangrove forest in the world is it Sundarbans National Park, or Nanda Devi and Valley of Flowers National Park, or Keoladeo National Park, or Manas Wildlife Sanctuary? Hope you are clear with the audio now. Okay, largest estuarine mangrove forest. Mangrove forests are very sustainable ecosystems which exist at the juncture of rivers with the oceans. So most of you say it's Sundarbans National Park. Yes, this is the right answer. Sundarbans National Park, which is situated in West Bengal, is the right answer. Okay, this is the largest mangrove forest in the world. Okay, it is situated in Bangladesh as well as India. The highest part is in Bangladesh and smaller part is in India, where our Royal Indian Bengal tiger is situated. Okay, it also exists in Sundarbans National Park. Okay, we have Sundarbans Biosphere Reserve, Sundarbans Tiger Reserve, all these are present at Sundarbans in West Bengal. Okay. Moving on to the last question of the day. To whom did Akbar gave the title Mian? Is it Raja Todarmal, or Mansingh I, or Birbal, or Tansen? Be fast. To whom did Akbar gave the title Mian? Is it Raja Todarmal, Mansingh I, Birbal, or Tansen? Akbar has Navaratnas, right? Or 9 Ratnas. Like Sri Krishna Devaraja has 8 people, Ashtadiggajas. Shivaji used to have Ashtapradhan, 8 people. So what is the right answer? The title Mian. Some say it's Birbal, some say it's Mansingh I, Tanvi, Santosh, Mahata, Ashish, Dinesh, Sai Charan, Shushmita. So some say it's Mansingh, some say it's Birbal. What could be the right answer, guys? The right answer is Tansen. So Mian Tansen. Okay. So he was given the title Mian. These are the 9 people. Birbal. Birbal's other name is Mahesh Das. Okay. He was the only Hindu in these Navaratnas. So Birbal, Tansen, Abul Fazl, who has written Akbar Nama. Okay. Or Aini Akbari. Faizi Raja Todarmal. He was the Diwan of Akbar. Raja Mansingh, who was fought in Battle of Haldigati. Abdul Rahim Khan, Fagir Aziauddin, or Molan Do Piazza. Okay, these are the 9 people who are the Navaratnas of Akbar. Okay, Akbar has ruled India from 1556 to 1605 after the death of his father Humayun. After the accidental death of Humayun, Akbar will take the throne at the age of 13 and he will rule from 1556 to 1605. Okay, so we have completed successfully the 50 questions of both set 3 and set 4. Please tell me your scores so that we can see how much score you have attained. Anyone has got 40 above questions right? So coming to books, I've already told you, for CHSL examination, if you practice the old papers or previous papers at least for 10 years, it's very useful. Okay. Yes, Humayun has died because of while he was taking the staircase in a library, right? This is the right answer. So please post your scores. Mahata has got 32. Yes. So coming to books, I've already mentioned about Kiran's publications and Arihant or Lucent, whichever you want to study. Study the previous question papers of CHSL examination, particularly for general awareness topic. Okay, coming to polity, you can study up to fundamental rights, directive principles of state policy. They are very important. Yes, exam is postponed to April 4th. Right? So I'll meet you in the next sessions. Take care of yourselves. Okay, prepare well, and thank you so much.